Hey guys, what's up? It's Dustin. Oh my god, I don't know what I'm gonna do. This is really hard, but this is the I don't even know what it's called. Give me a second. Hurry up. This is not what I was looking for. This is Twitter, not YouTube. Oh my god, I'm already doing bad. This would already be edited. Oh my god. Yeah, the stripped down challenge, which I saw Jonah Green doing, and yeah, so basically I have to record for 10 minutes. It has to be unedited, no nothing, no music, no anything, no edited. So I'm just gonna talk about random things. First thing, this comforter is not mine. It's a temporary because mine is in the dryer. So I'm going to talk about random things. I'm going to talk about, I don't know. For one, can we appreciate how kind of cute I look? Yeah. And so I'm just going to do what I always do when I have nothing to do. I'm on Instagram. How long has it been already? 2 minutes, yeah. Nobody's gonna watch this. Anyways, yeah. So, this hat's really cool. I got it from this guy. Came to my school, and it goes to helping homeless people. So, yeah. And if you want to buy one of these, I shall put the link in the description because they're not only really cute and really comfortable, but they help people, and it's a great thing to do. And yeah. Anyways, I thought I should talk about things that I love because that's cool, right? This jacket's pretty cool. I mean, I got it from Goodwill for like $4, and it's really cool and cute and oh my god. That would have been edited out, but you know. Another thing I love, which I think will be pretty cool, is the Snapchat filters. And yeah, and I feel bad for those people who couldn't get them because their phones are crap. But yeah, la 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 that all would have been edited out. It's been almost halfway through. Way to go, fam. Fam. Ooh. Never doing that again. Another thing that I love is this bracelet that I got from Goodwill. and it was 99 cents. Please focus on my face. Yeah, what else do I love? I kind of like love these music artists. My brother has to take a shower, so that's cool. What? I'm making a video.
Oh, okay.
I'll let him in.
Alright.
That was
That
awkward.
mighty rat.
Okay. Oh, great. Now everyone from school is going to be like, oh my gosh, your brother was in your video. That's cool. Music I love. This is also a music recommendation. Arctic Monkeys. Hella cool people. Favorite album. A.M. I was supposed to say A.C. A.M. Another People's. The 1975. Fave. See that? That all would have been edited out. Cool. Another People's. G-Eazy, obviously, new album, really cool. You should go pre-order it. You should go buy the musics. I did not prepare for this. That's the point. 6:33. I bought these cool books. That they're cool. That part would have been edited out. See, it's called The Invention of Murder, and I know a lot of people aren't like really into like stuff like this, but I'm not normal, so I like to watch documentaries and read books about people that kill other people, and yeah. And it's not like, I don't like reading and watching stuff about people that kill people that isn't real unless it's a horror movie, but I like to read history that actually happened. And yeah. Another book that kind of like that is about ooh Lord. It's about Charles Manson. He's a pretty cool dude. I mean, I wish they had one on Jeffrey Dahmer. What about that one? But you know, Charles Manson's pretty cool too. But yeah, how long are we into this? 7 minutes and 47 seconds. This is horrible. Some people are gonna watch this and be like, wow, you actually don't have a life. And I'm gonna be like, yeah. How'd you know? So that's cool. I got a Snapchat, so that's 'I miss you a lot. Maybe I'll come see you soon. I really want to. But yeah.
I miss you a lot. Maybe I'll come see you soon. I really want to. But yeah.
8 minutes and 39 seconds. You're doing a great job. Stop, don't talk to me, you loser, lame, I wanna be like, oh, totally. Oh my gosh, why am I singing that song? I look cute, hey. That wasn't good. So yeah. That video was cool. It was pointless. I did random stuff. You saw things that I loved. Yeah, I'm not including people because then people will start getting mad and stuff like that. And so yeah, I wasn't gonna sit here and talk about my life because that's for another video. That's more that needs to be edited because I would probably start crying and that would be too depressing. So I'll save that for another time. But I hope you guys enjoyed this stupid video. That was actually not that stupid because it was supposed to show that even though YouTubers seem like they're really cool and they are really good at what they do, even though I don't even seem that way to begin with, that we just do random things and that we're really lame. Speaking of that, I thought, even though it's been past 10 minutes and stuff like that, I wanted to say that in the future, when I get a vlogging camera, that maybe whenever I hang out with like my friends and stuff, I'll be like recording, kind of, I don't know, we'll be just recording and it'll just be like us being ourselves and talking about random things, and it would be really funny. Like, if you don't know who OLAN Rogers is, you should go look him up. He's a YouTuber and he does this thing called ROLLIN with OLAN with one of his best friends, and I thought I would do something like that. And if you don't know what that is, I will put that in the description. Yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next Sunday. And yeah, you guys are cool. Tomorrow's Monday, so have a good week. Come up here, kitten. Me and my outro, baby. I hope you guys have a good week, and I love you guys. And yeah, I will see you guys on Sunday. And if you liked it, you should like it. You should go buy these hats because they're really cool. They're only $15. Go buy them. Donate some monies to some old peoples. And yeah. Peace out, dudes.